everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 45 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is we should not stop learning. So let's start. We as a human being has got a very greatest gift of our life, that is we are able to learn, we are able to explore. When we are child, we used to learn walking, we used to learn running, we used to learn dancing, we used to learn swimming. And when we are in our childhood phase, we used to learn through books, through videos, through lectures. And many people think that learning stopped till school, colleges. But there are many examples in history that tells that learning never stops. Learning is a phase that continues throughout the life. For example, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, they used to learn throughout the life. In fact, I would say that my grandfather, who was in his 90s, in his year of 90, he used to ask for the word meaning of some new words. He was constantly learning till her last age. So in fact, my grandmother also, she used to do knitting, she used to make various types of things. So learning never stops, because learning is that thing which help us, our mind to be active. It helps us mind to be curious. When we learn new things, when we learn new things, our mind get curious about that and it is really quite interesting. So learning is something that continues till last stages of life. And a person who loves to learn, a person who loves to learn is a person who enjoys the life. Because when we will stop learning, we will feel bored in life. For example, I have completed my graduation, I have completed my schooling, etc. All things I have completed, and if suddenly I will not learn, if suddenly I will not be focused on anything, I will feel bored. Life will be boring. So we should constantly learning every single day. It may be dancing, it may be singing, it may be other thing, but we should constantly learn. Learning help our mind to become active. Because I have seen many example of some person who in their youth only they quit learning. They thought that I have completed my graduation, everything, I am not interested in learning anymore. So that person will not go far in life. That person will not enjoy the greatest gift that God has given us, to ability to learn. From our childhood to till old age, we learn from every single day. In fact, oldies used to learn from young generation today. Parents used to ask to their children about how to use smartphone, how to use smart TV. So learning is a thing that continues till old age, till life exists. We used to learn, and that is the good thing. And I have a desire that I will learn every single day. I love to learn new things, new ideas. I actually love that. In fact, I think that all people should learn, because it enhance your skill, analytical skill, it enhance your logical skill, how you think. It also affects that. For example, someone has a desire to do yoga, and he continues to learn, then he will be a master in that. So learning really helps. So from all this, I will conclude that whatever your age is, it doesn't matter. You should not stop learning. You should always learn. Learning will make you curious. Learning will make you intelligent. Learning will make your mind active. So I have concluded all the points that came in my mind about why we should not stop learning. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment if you are liking video. And any mistake I have made, and you can comment in comment box. So that's all for today video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and have fun.